This video tutorial walks through the basics of using the PDspect Cloud Drive. The PDspect Cloud Drive makes it very easy to transfer inspections, templates, and libraries between devices. The first part of this tutorial will look at using the Cloud Drive on a PC, and the second part will look at using it on the app. To use the Cloud Drive on a PC, the first thing we need to do is open up the PDspect program by clicking on the program shortcut. Once open, let's click on Manage Cloud Drive on the left side of the window. Let's go over what's on the screen that appears. At the top, we have the option to choose what files we are seeing. Right now, we're looking at inspections, but if you click on it, you can choose to see templates, libraries, or all the files on your Cloud Drive at once. Below that, on the left side, we see a list of all the files that are currently on our Cloud Drive. And since we're looking at inspections, we'll see the inspections on our Cloud Drive. And to the right, we'll see a list of all the inspections on the local PC. In between these two columns, we see 4 buttons that are used to move files back and forth. The top arrow is used to send files from the local PC to the cloud. Below that, this arrow is used to send files from the cloud to the local PC. Next, we have 2 arrows. And this is used if you want to send all the files that are on your Cloud Drive to the local PC. And then the X is used to delete files. Let's see how it works. Let's say we wanted to move the inspection file called 987 Random Boulevard from our cloud to our local PC. To do this, we'll click on the file and then we'll click on the button here to send it to the local drive. As you can see, the file has now been downloaded and is on the local PC. Next, let's move the file called 789 Inspection Road from the local PC to the cloud. To do that, we'll click on it to highlight it, and then we'll click on the top button to send it to our Cloud Drive. That file is now on our cloud as well. Moving templates and libraries works the exact same way. The last thing to point out on this screen is there's a bar at the bottom that shows how much of your Cloud Drive is in use. The Cloud Drive is designed to be used for passing files back and forth and not for permanent storage. And because of this, you do have a limited amount of space available. We're now looking at the main screen of the app. To work with the Cloud Drive, let's tap on the File Manager button. On this screen, you can switch between seeing your inspections, your templates, as well as your libraries. By default, we'll be looking at the files on a local device, and if we want to see the files on the Cloud Drive, you tap the button on Look on Cloud Drive. Let's say there was an inspection on our Cloud Drive that we wanted to download to the local device. To do this, we would tap on Inspections, and then tap on Look in Cloud Drive. The inspection we want to download is 456 Anywhere Road, so we'll tap on that, and then in the lower right corner, we'll tap on Download. It will take a couple seconds to download, and once it's done, it'll now be on your local device. Now, let's say there's an inspection on the device that we want to upload to the Cloud Drive. To do this, we're going to uncheck the Look in Cloud Drive button, and then we'll find the inspection we want to upload. We'll tap on it, and then we'll tap on Upload. And now the file is uploaded on the Cloud Drive. Uploading both templates and libraries works the exact same way. You can also delete a file from either the local device or the Cloud Drive by tapping on it and then tapping on Delete in the lower left corner. When you do this, it's going to confirm that this is what you want to do, and if you tap on Continue, the file will be deleted. That's a look at how the Cloud Drive works on the app. This concludes the tutorial on the basics of Cloud Drive management.